And now it's time for Seattle to make the actual pick.
Hey, this is Lawyer Malloy reporting live from Kent, Washington. Hey, I'm here with a whole bunch of young Seahawks right here. We say, See! 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 With the 147th pick in the 2016 NFL Draft, the Seattle Seahawks select Quinton Jefferson, D-tackle from Maryland. Yeah!
Now, I had a 4th-round grade on him, and Quinton Jefferson is a one-gap disruptor. He's got speed. He's coming off an ACL a year removed, but I really like this young man. He's married. He's got 2 or 3 kids. I talked to him at the Combine. You want to talk about a motivated young man. Got to provide for his family. He's gifted, has some talent, and Seattle will find a way to get him involved in that pass game.